Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my May 2022 IPSY Glam Bag X unboxing. This is a pretty heavy box this quarter. This is only a quarterly box from IPSY and I'm so excited to get into this. This is the most expensive, biggest box that IPSY offers, and it's always in collaboration with someone. And I didn't want to look at the app. I didn't want to spark any memories of what I was going to be getting in this, so I literally can't even remember who this is in collaboration with. But oh my gosh, lots of products in here. Oh, and we can see right here, is that Madelaine Petsch? Madelaine Petsch, I think, is who this is in collaboration with. I recognize her from Riverdale. I can't say that I've seen all of Riverdale, and is that even right? I think, gosh, I'm bad, but I think she's from Riverdale when I watched a few episodes of that. But what I do like about the IPSY Glam Bag X is that you get this little newspaper that shows, interviews, so I can actually get more familiar with who Madelaine is, and product information. But it lists out the product information for all of the products that you could have gotten in IPSY. It has Madelaine's matcha latte recipe on the back. So funny. And so before I jump into all of the very many products that are in this box, I just want to let you know that I have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'm not going to be swatching or reviewing the makeup products that I get in this box right now, because I'm going to be doing full dedicated review videos on those very soon. So as I'm going through, if there's any products that you're extra interested in me reviewing first, just let me know in the comments down below. And this is my first of the many beauty subscription boxes that I'm going to be getting this month, and I'll be unboxing all of them. So I get the other IPSY Glam Bag, BoxyCharm, a lot of other fun subscription boxes. So if those are the types of videos that you like, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of those. And okay, let's start pulling out some products. I'm going to start with this one here because this looks big and beautiful. This is beautiful packaging. St. Jane Luxury Body Serum. I recently have been thinking about how, I have so many skincare products that I should start using serums and the different products that I use on my face onto my body. Because I don't use a body serum, I use a body lotion every day, but I think I could really step up my body skincare game. And how perfect that this just arrived. And I feel like this is going to be an expensive product based off the beautiful packaging. It's a little smaller than I was expecting based off of this huge packaging, but this is fun. So I definitely prefer to get makeup in these subscriptions. I just want to smell it. It's hard to open. But if I'm going to get skincare, it doesn't smell as nice as I would want my body product to smell. I really like to use wonderful smelling body products, and this just kind of smells like an oil. But I was saying how if I'm going to get skincare, I want it to be a type of product that I don't already have a ton of in my collection, and I do not have a ton of body serums, so this is very exciting. I'm going to go onto the IPSY app to look up the retail value on this St. Jane Beauty Luxury Body Serum is $58. And so I like that I can add up the total retail value in this Glam Bag X because it's going to be all full-size products. Okay, next up, such a recognizable brand from the packaging. Love when a brand is cohesive like that. This is First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. Soothe and Nourish. This actually does sound great for my skin right now because my skin is so dry. I used a retinol mask that just reacted so badly with my skin. So now I'm trying to literally repair and soothe my skin, which is what this is supposed to do. So this came at good timing, and I definitely have a lot of toners, but I guess in the skincare type of category, a toner is something that I'm not too mad to get, and I do like trying out First Aid Beauty products, although I will say that I haven't always been impressed like, I don't always feel like First Aid Beauty is worth the hype, but I'm still excited to try it. And let's see what this retails for. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner retails for $24. Expensive, but in the world of skincare, I guess that's more on the affordable end. Next up, okay, this is the Clay Date, which is a brand that I'm not familiar with, Hya Activated Pink Clay Mask. Masks are a type of skincare product that I don't want. And the thing with IPSY is you get to always give your product reviews, your feedback, you fill out a quiz so that it should be customized to you. So that's when I start to get frustrated when I get products that I have said I do not want to receive. And masks are definitely one of those products in IPSY. So I'm kind of bummed to see this, although I'm sure it's a nice, fine mask. I just have way too many and I rarely ever use clay masks. So this is kind of like a waste of a product. I wish I could have gotten something different for how much I pay for my IPSY subscription. So let's see what this retails for. Because yeah, I don't get sponsored by IPSY. I don't get free products from IPSY at all. So, you know, I'm spending all my own money on this. So I want to be getting, you know, what I'm paying for. So this is actually from the brand Dew of the Gods Clay Date Healing Face Mask. Wow, it retails for $42. That seems very expensive for a pink clay mask. Next up, okay, I think we're finally getting a makeup product here. This is from One Size, and it's Ultimate Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. This is Patrick Starr's makeup brand, which I haven't tried out too much from, but I definitely am excited to try out more. Look at the beautiful packaging. And this is a huge setting powder. I love using a setting powder. I can't really use it right now with how dry and textured my skin is. So once my skin heals, I'm so excited to try this out. So the One Size Ultimate Blurring Setting Powder in the shade Translucent retails for $30. Oh, look, getting a sneak peek into the products left in here. It's looking pretty heavy in makeup, which is what I'm excited to see. Ooh, like this one here. This is from the brand Nude Sticks, which I haven't had success really with the Nude Sticks products that I've tried before, but I'm definitely open to trying out a foundation. This is Tinted Cover Foundation, which I love to try out foundations and complexion types of makeup products. So I'm very excited to see this as an option in the IPSY Glam Bag X because I rarely, I feel like, get complexion type products in IPSY. And this looks like a good shade match. I got this in the shade Nude 1. And the Nude Sticks Tinted Cover Foundation retails for $36. That'll probably go well with that setting powder that I just pulled out. Next up, I've got, from Tarte. Tarte is one of my favorite brands, and this is the Creaseless Concealer. So I have actually already tried this out, and I have a full dedicated review video that I can link in the description down below, because I actually won a Kelly Strack, one of my favorite YouTubers. I won her giveaway on the entire shade range and collection of the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. So I had used this for many years. I love it. So I'm excited to get this. And wow, it's like I'm getting a full face of makeup now with everything I've been pulling out. So the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, which I have here in the shade 10N Fair, retails for $27. I just love Tarte concealer. I've tried out, I feel like almost all of them, and I love them. It's like my go-to. Next up, this is from Yensa. Actually, speaking of concealers, Yensa makes my other favorite concealer. So I'm excited to try out. This is the Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. I got this here in the shade Free Spirit. Turns out this is actually not one of the products from my IPSY Glam Bag X. It's one of the products that I redeemed points for, which is probably why it looks like I have so many products in here. But how do I even open this? Whoa. Ooh, pretty. A light pink. Seems very beautiful, wearable, fun packaging. But so you can earn points on IPSY by reviewing your products, which I always do because I want the products to be more curated to my taste, even though it doesn't seem like that's always the case. And then if someone signs up through your referral link, which I always have in my description down below, but anyone who has an IPSY subscription gets a referral link. So that's how I can redeem points to get free products. So this is one of those products that I got with my points. Next up, I'm pulling out, ooh, this is a beautiful packaging. Can't really read what the brand is. And this is actually another points product because it's not on my IPSY Glam Bag X list. So I think this is Jolie 2.0 Luster Lip. Another lip product, and it looks so pretty. Yeah, Jolie Cosmetics, cruelty-free and vegan. I love to try out lip products. Next up, ooh, this brand, Tres Lucid Beauty. Lucid Glow Highlighter Duo. So I have been trying out a lot of Tres Lucid products lately from IPSY and BoxyCharm, and I have been so impressed by this brand. So I'm excited to try out more. Beautiful highlight duo. I almost feel like this could be a blush topper. This could be more like an eyeshadow because the shades look a little off for a highlighter of my skin tone. But I love to try out little sparkly powders like this because I love sparkle. So the Tres Lucid Beauty Glow Highlighter Duo in the shades Cosmic and Upgrade retails for $18. Ooh, this looks pretty. TYS Beauty X IPSY. Peppermint Infused Lip Plumper. I was just saying how I love trying out lip products, but I also love to try out lip plumpers because I'm always trying to make my lips look bigger, and I love a gloss, so this sounds awesome and it looks so pretty. The packaging and the kind of holographic sheen, and this is clearly an IPSY exclusive, which is very exciting. The TYS Beauty Lip Treat retails for $30. And then I've got one other product in here, Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Defense Detoxifying Scalp Scrub. So this looks like a sample size, so maybe this is a points product. Let me double check, but this actually sounds great because every time I wash my hair, I use a scalp scrub, and I've been using the same one right now forever. It takes me so long to go through a scalp scrub, so a little sample size like this, I mean, it's actually not that little for a sample. This is actually perfect for probably what I need to last me at least a few months. Yeah, so this is a product with my points. I'm very excited to try this out. And those are all of the products that came in this box. There are so many products in front of me right now, so I'll do a quick recap and then I'll let you know the total retail value because I feel like I was really getting up there in the value. So I got the St. Jane Body Serum, the First Aid Beauty Toner, the Dew of the Gods Clay Mask. I got the TYS Lip Plumper, the Tres Lucid Highlight Duo, the Nude Sticks Foundation, the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, and the One Size Setting Powder. All of those are my actual Glam Bag X products, which all together adds up to a total retail value of $265, which is really fabulous value. And I have all of the products to do a full face: foundation, concealer, setting powder, the highlight, and a lip product. Just no eye products, surprisingly, in this box, but that's okay. And then with my points, I got the Yensa lipstick, the Jolie lip luster, and the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Scrub. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them. And thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.